All right, the last thing we're going to talk about in this section is extending pluggable apps. So here in the admin module of the store app, look on the first line, we're importing the tagged item class. So that means our store app has a dependency to the tags app. So we cannot build and deploy it independently. Remember, earlier in the course, I told you that ideally our apps should be self-contained so we can easily plug them into new projects. So here we need to decouple the store app from the tags app. But how? That's actually very easy. So here are the tags and store apps. You want to build and deploy them independently of each other. So none of these apps should know anything about each other, okay? Now in this project, we're going to create a new app, which we can call Store Custom. And this is the customization of the store app, which knows about both these apps. This is very specific to our project. So we're not going to deploy this app for others to reuse, okay? So here in the terminal, let's run Python, manage.py, start app, store custom. Good. Now we have this new app, and in this app, in the admin module, we're going to combine features from the two pluggable apps. So from store.admin, we're going to import product admin, and from tags.model, we're going to import the tagged item class. Okay. Now, why do we have an error here? That should be models. Okay, good. So back to the admin module of the store app, let's jump to the tag inline class. So this class should be moved to our new app because this is where we are referencing the tagged item class. So cut it from here and paste it right here. Now we need to import this class on the top. So from Django.contrib.contenttypes.admin, we're going to import generic tabular inline. Great. No errors up to this point. Now we need to create a new product admin, which extends the generic product admin that comes with our reusable app. And in this new implementation, we're going to reference the tag inline class. So we create a new class called custom product admin, which extends product admin. This is the class that comes with our pluggable app. Now over here, we set inlines to tag inline. As simple as that, okay? Now that we have a new product admin, we need to unregister the old one and register the new one. So here we say admin.site.unregister product, and then we're going to call admin.site.register product with this new custom product admin. Okay. Now the final step. We need to register this app in the list of installed apps. So Command and T, let's jump to installed apps. Good. Now, so here's the generic implementation. Right after, we're going to add store custom. Okay. Now let's see what happens. So refresh. Looks like we have an error. So back to the terminal, we have an error saying tag inline is not defined. So I forgot to remove this from the old product admin. So let's jump to product admin in the store app. And over here, we're going to remove this line because we implemented this in our custom store app. So delete. And that also means on the top, we no longer need to import tag item. So our store app has no dependency to the tags app. And we also don't need to import this generic class. So delete. Good. And refresh. Take a look. So here's the product form. Now we have replaced the admin interface for this app using our custom store app. So that means if we go back to the settings module and remove this new app, we see the generic implementation of the product form without the tags. So this is the interface we're going to build and deploy independently. Now anyone can create a new custom app to customize this interface. Now let's bring this app back. Beautiful.